Hi guys! Today, we will watch images showcasing the construction process of a future urban area. The construction site is located on low-lying or waterlogged land. We need to prepare the ground and carry out land clearing, removing vegetation. Various methods and mechanical equipment can be used for this process. Today, we will see how bulldozers are used to handle the clearing work. Watching the bulldozers in action makes the task look so easy. The layers of greenery and weeds are removed neatly and impressively. Using machinery ensures safety and speed. This is important because hidden in the bushes could be dangers like snakes, centipedes, bee nests, and other venomous creatures. On flat ground, it is quite easy. But what about on slopes? We'll find out shortly. Now, let's look at the results. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. And now, let's see if clearing vegetation on sloping terrain is just as easy. Clearly, everything is simple when you have experience and skilled machinery operators. It's truly impressive. The next step, after clearing all vegetation, is to fill the surrounding areas of the project site with soil and sand. This forms a road around the area for transporting materials and equipment. Next, the focus will be on filling the middle gaps with soil. One by one, large trucks loaded with soil and sand arrive to unload. Bulldozers then level the soil, creating a flat road while raising the ground level according to the design plan. This work takes many days to complete. Once the roads around the construction site are in place, a large number of machines are deployed to pour soil and sand. The scene is bustling and lively. When watching through the screen, it looks so exciting, doesn't it? But in reality, it's very noisy. Let me give you a demonstration. The noise from the machines and engines is so loud that you can't hear each other, even when standing very close. Both machines and workers operate at full capacity. However, the dump truck drivers remain cautious as the newly filled ground is prone to sinking and getting stuck. This can lead to dangerous situations and damage to equipment. Here's an example of such an incident. A dump truck, weighing tens of tons, unfortunately reversed into a sunken area and got stuck. At this point, a bulldozer is needed to help. The first attempt failed because the dump truck, loaded with soil, was too heavy. The second attempt was successful. In reality, such incidents are common on construction sites. I will show you more in future videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos. Thank you so much and see you next time.